Want a website that actually gets customers? In the next 15 minutes, I'll show you how Mukwood Digital builds fast. Mobile-first websites for Zambian businesses that turn visitors into paying customers. Let's start. We are Mukwood Digital, a Lusaka-based web design and development studio. We help small businesses, startups and NGOs get online with websites that are fast, secure and easy to manage. Our packages include a free domain and 12 months of hosting, local WhatsApp support and practical add-ons like e-commerce and AI chatbots. We also work with legal partners to give you the right website policies for Zambia. Why does your website matter? Most customers check a business online before they buy. A slow or messy site turns people away. But a fast, well-designed site builds trust, ranks better on Google and makes visitors act to call, message, or buy. For Zambian businesses, mobile users are a huge part of traffic. So mobile-first design is essential. If your site loads quickly and makes the next action obvious, customers will follow. At Mukwood, we focus on 5 core features. 1. Speed, pages that load fast on phones. 2. Mobile-first layouts that look great on any device. 3. SEO basics so people find you on Google. 4. Conversion features, clear buttons, forms, and WhatsApp links. 5. Analytics, so you can see what works. These features work together to turn visitors into leads and sales. Design is not just beauty, it's a tool for trust. We use clear headings, strong calls to action, and consistent brand visuals so visitors know what to do next. For example, placing a big Get a Quote button where people look first can double leads. We also use real client photos, testimonials, and simple menu structures so visitors feel confident and can find what they need fast. Under the hood, we build on WordPress. It's flexible and easy to manage. We use fast hosting, caching, image optimization, and SSL security to keep pages quick and safe. We set automatic backups and plugin updates so your site stays secure. All sites include basic SEO setup, sitemaps, and analytics so you can measure results from day one. The tools that capture leads matter. We add WhatsApp click-to-chat on each page so customers reach you in one tap. We build simple lead forms that collect only essential details. For services, we create simple funnels, landing page, lead form, WhatsApp follow-up, and email confirmation. That workflow cuts response time and helps you close more customers. If you sell online, we build stores with WooCommerce or Shopify and connect local payment options like MTN MoMo and Airtel Money. We set up product pages, secure checkout and order notifications. We also include mobile-first cart flows to reduce cart abandonment. That means customers can shop easily on any phone. We don't just launch and leave. Every site comes with 12 months of free hosting and our WhatsApp-first support, so you get quick help when you need it. We offer maintenance plans for updates, backups, and security checks. Because we work with legal partners, we also provide privacy policies, terms, and simple compliance templates for Zambian rules, so your site stays safe and professional. Our process is simple and clear. Step 1. We start with a free consultation to understand your goals. Step 2. We send a custom proposal and quote. Step 3. Design. We draft the look and get your feedback. Step 4. Development and testing. We build, test, and optimize for speed. Step 5. Launch and growth. We go live and help you with marketing and upgrades. This keeps the project fast and predictable. Here's one quick result. A local retail client moved online with a mobile store and WhatsApp checkout. Within 3 months, they increased online orders by over 100% and cut manual order handling by half. That's the power of a well-built site with the right tools. If you want a website that works as your sales engine, start with our free 3-month website trial. Visit mukwooddigital.com or message us on WhatsApp at +260 764 3777700 to begin. Click the link in the description now.